You told some of our colleagues on Bloomberg Television earlier this month that taking a look at Paramount's offer at the time, that they were pretty much offering to overpay for Warner Brothers. Has your view changed at all?
Well, once again, I think Warner Brothers and Zaslav has done a masterful job extracting extra value out of Warner Brothers, obviously key assets that now these two mega giants want, mostly over power than financial sense, in the sense of paying $100 billion for Warner's when you could pay $200 billion and buy Disney, which seems like a lot better thing. So, this is quite a battle, and one that will take some time to see how it resolves.
Well, Ross, to that point, I mean, what do you make of the ferocity with Paramount is going after Warner Brothers? Why do you think they so much want this asset at this point?
A lot of that has to do with the fact that Paramount Skydance doesn't have like a ton of firepower in Hollywood. Paramount was in trouble when Skydance bought them. They have not done very well under Shari Redstone's management, and now he took it over, and it's like, what's the next step I can take to become a powerhouse in Hollywood as fast as possible? And buying Warner was like sort of a coup in many ways, to go from basically almost nobody in Hollywood to kind of one of the biggest players in just a few years. On the other side of the coin, you have Netflix, which has dominated Hollywood for now years and years, and has continued to grow and evolve into whether it be video games or sports content, and now looking at buying a studio to release in theaters and all the excess studio content they can generate. It would be a crowning achievement for Netflix to take Warner and be the most dominant player in maybe entertainment business history. So this,
yeah.
I mean, you got big egos, you got lots of money,
yeah.
You got power, you got famous actors and stars, this is as good a story as you're going to get, and they're going to fight it out to the end, because both of them know that this is the future of Hollywood, and whoever wins will define that.